Joey, we getting that rebar today? All right. I like this trailer, man.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, man. Got it from a place called HD Trailer Rental.
All right.
So Joey, he's got this big project going on. We just built up the order. We've got a lot of block and rebar, lumber, and then some windows and doors. And a lot of times when you combine all that, then you are getting yourself prepared to take a big discount because of the volume of the sales. So here we have where he was spending $6,500, we'll call it. And you got $147 knocked off just in instant bulk savings on the block. And then you got an additional $800 knocked off just for the sheer volume of his purchase. So you're talking $950 knocked off on a $6,500 order. Yeah. Roughly about 17%, 18% discount, which I'm fixing to give him some more.
All right, now y'all see why I come up here? This is what I do, man. I got my main man, Joey. Let's get him, Joey.
Let's get him, man.
All right. Y'all see it, man. We up here doing our thing. Spend a little money today. We call that good money. Joey.
That's a work truck right here.
That's a real work truck right there. Let's go, baby. We're gonna pick up some rebar. There's some blocks right there. That's what we're about to pick up, them blocks, baby. All right. I brought my contractor up here to meet you, man. He asked me where I get all this good customer service. And I said, man, you got to go meet this man named Danny, man. Funds out of our pocket available. So most of the stuff we bring coming up here to get for the house, it's not going to exceed $50,000. And if we buy a large purchase, don't we have 12 months, same as cash, or 20? What is it?
So with your commercial card, you get 60 days same as cash. That's how they treat it. You get 2 months to use our money for that period of time. Plus, too, you get fuel perks. So not only are you getting a discounted product, but for every $100 that you put on the Home Depot commercial card, you get 10 cents off on the 100. So if you're spending $5,000, then you get $5 put on that fuel rewards card, which is inevitably going to give you 45 gallons of gas for free. Plus, you get the material discounted.
There you go, folks.
No brainer.
So that's what I'm trying to say. Get your lines of credit up. That way you're not spending any money out of pocket. All right, we got about $50,000 in limits here and $20,000 at Lowe's. So that's $70,000 worth of credit lines that's extended to Radford Homes, LLC. All right, you do that, you don't have to pay no money out of pocket. You could build this house and then you could sell it at the end and get all your money back, and then you pay your creditors back. Simple way to do it instead of getting a hard money loan. All right, once again, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Make no mistake about it. All right, we're shopping over here, y'all. Hey, Joey Manning, what you doing up here, man?
Oh, man, it's coming up here, man. I normally order my stuff from somewhere else, but, you introduced me to Danny. So, yeah, we're just ordering some rebar and a lot of, miscellaneous stuff we need for the concrete guys tomorrow. We're going to be prepping the slab. We passed our rough inspection this morning. Rough plumbing inspection this morning. So the
yeah, baby.
Guys will be coming out in the morning, so I'm just getting all the stuff that we need for that tomorrow. Normally, there's bigger companies that kind of do everything, drop it off all at one time, but obviously the price is a little bit more. So just trying to save a little bit of money. This guy Danny's doing a good job helping us.
Hey, Danny, how you doing, man? I know you've been working with Radford Homes for a long time, man. Can you tell them a little bit what you done for me from the beginning, man? I started off with like a $5,000 line of credit, and then I moved on up.
Yeah, Greg's definitely grew as
yes.
well as we have grown here at the Pro Sales Desk. And I tell you, you need to give us an opportunity here. We're here about saving you some money, putting money back in your pocket. That's the bottom line. Getting you in and out of here. That's going to put money in your bottom line. So yeah, just come up here and come see. My name's Danny.
Yeah, what's the number up here, Danny?
863-292-4202.
Okay.
And just give me a call. I'll be able to help you out.
All right, thank you, Danny. 3 projects. You're building 3 single-family residents. Well, 2,000 square feet on one, and about 2,400 on another, and then you're building one in Lakeland as well. Can you speak on that?
Yeah, man, I'm super excited. Yeah, I got these, 4 going on at a time, including yours. Hopefully I'll be starting 3 other ones here, within a month and a half when I get a lot of these properties from the city. But yeah, I'm just really excited to be seeing the neighborhood, change and developing. I mean, obviously that's what kind of we could build houses anywhere. Just trying to build them in the areas that I grew up in, areas that I'm familiar with people that, to be honest, that look like me. So I'm super excited to be doing that, kind of building up in this case, the west side of Bartow. We'll be doing some on the east side of Bartow to start here pretty soon.
And you've been working instrumentally with the city of Bartow.
Yeah, no, everyone from the city of Bartow. I mean, everyone on the CRA board. I mean, the director, Stephen Cox, he's done, he's been super phenomenal and helpful. Everyone in the building department, Cindy, Bob Wiegers, Greg Land, they've been super, super helpful, as I'm just kind of getting started and learning, they've been super instrumental.
All right, you got a website?
Yeah, www.manningmb, it's Manning, M is in master, B is in build, so www.manningmb.com.
All right. He's a real humble guy, man, but I'm telling you, he took the ball and he ran with it with me. Let's go get it, let's do it, let's make it happen type dude. But I'm gonna tell you something, I don't know anything about a brand new construction home. I don't know nothing about it, okay? From the dirt coming in, he talked about having dirt that didn't have a lot of organic materials in there. Super educated. He don't usually tell folks he went to Vanderbilt, played ball, but very good guy, helping me out. And we're gonna have a brand new build in the CRA area on the west side of Bartow, which is my neighborhood. And hello to his beautiful and lovely wife, my cousin. So I said, you see him right here. Say what's up to the wife, man. She's right.
How you doing, Raquel? Brains in the beauty bound.
That's right. So we're doing our thing, man, and we're just excited, man. Hey, we're just excited. If you can't get excited about building up your own hood that you grew up in, man, you can't get excited about nothing. So we here, we're building it up, and I got my main man, Danny. Danny been taking care of me for years. I'm talking about years, man. I came up here one time. I'm gonna tell y'all the story. I messed up an order so bad that they had to transfer it over. It took me about a week. I jacked the whole system up over here, and they were upset with me, but they worked with me and they got me through it. So I always come back to where I know I'm gonna get that great customer service excellence at its finest. Remember, you can reach me at 863-410-0877. Radford Homes, baby.
Radford Homes.
Hey, we making it happen. Joy, what we ordering today? Can you tell them a little bit what we ordering?
We're ordering everything. We're ordering everything to get the walls up, essentially. So we're ordering all the stuff that has to go inside the concrete. We're ordering all the concrete stuff inside will be done. We're ordering the concrete block. We're ordering all the framing material. So all the pressure treated wood, all the regular just studs and 2x4s. We're ordering all that stuff today.
We probably spending at least $7,000-8,000, huh? We spending more.
My money and everything, so it's my first time actually doing something for someone else, so it's kind of a little bit of a learning curve for me, because I don't have to talk to anyone else. I've just seen here on camera, so I'm doing this for Greg and but it's fun, man. It's a lot easier, to be honest with you. I don't have to sweat home for Greg to come up there and fight this stuff.
Hey, I'm always trying to tell folks, teach folks how I do this. Get your lines of credit up, okay? I have almost a $50,000 credit limit here at Home Depot. Get your lines of credit up. That way you don't have to use your cash in the beginning. All right, we're going to be listed in this house. This house is going to be listed for sale as soon as we finish with it. All right, so we're trying to use. Got any questions? Leave us a comment below and I'll answer. If you got any questions. Joey, this top-notch service right here, ain't it? My main man Danny right there. Take care of me on all my jobs. Look at customer service at its finest. What's up, D? Hey, and thank you for your service. This guy right here is in the Navy. He's a CB. All right, we're picking up rebar. Home Depot taking care of us too. They're not giving us no bent rebar.
I was doing stuff for Lowe's, but honestly, it ended up being cheap with all these discounts they applied to it. So, Danny's gonna be my guy, man. I guess I'm gonna start coming to Home Depot. A little bit further drive, but for that amount of money, I think it's worth it.
It is. What does that mean? Check this out. I came up here with my main man, Joey Manning, my builder. He's taking care of me. Joey Manning and Danny saved me, what we saved Danny about $1,100, okay? That's why I come to Home Depot, folks. You gotta come see my main man, all right? Building these houses, left and right inside the CRA community, Radford Homes LLC. Give us a call at 863-410-0877. Let's go, baby. All right.
So, just buying in volume, I can get you discounts.
Okay.
That are not just available. You have to come up and sign up and that type of thing. So, but also too, to help him with the doors, because some things like online pricing.
Yeah.
You already get the best available price there. But, I like to help the contractors out a little bit, give them 5% for that if I can. Well, I took an extra off here to help them with the door.
Okay. That's good deal. Good deal.
Let's go, baby.
But I'm going to give you some extra money on this other stuff because it's not going to be discounted.